What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the forbidden China wealth before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the forbidden China wealth works. What is forbidden China wealth? Forbidden China wealth is a digital audio program built on the premise that your subconscious beliefs about money are the primary barrier standing between your current financial reality and the one you actually want. The program uses sound frequencies and spoken affirmations rooted in what the creators describe as ancient Chinese principles of wealth to try to dissolve those deep-seated mental blocks. It's sold exclusively through ClickBank and delivered instantly as a digital download. No physical product, no waiting for anything to arrive in the mail. Once you purchase, the files are yours to listen to on any device that plays MP3s, your phone, laptop, tablet, or a dedicated audio player. The core idea is straightforward. If your internal monologue around money sounds like, "I'm terrible with money," wealth is for other people, or "I'll always be living paycheck to paycheck," those beliefs work quietly in the background, sabotaging your financial decisions, even when your conscious mind genuinely wants change. The program aims to address those subconscious patterns through a short daily audio ritual that takes approximately 5 minutes. How does forbidden China wealth work? Forbidden China wealth is centered on the idea that specific sound frequencies may help influence mindset and emotional well-being. According to the creators, the audio program features a unique frequency sequence inspired by ancient concepts and designed to support positive mental conditioning. Users are advised to pay attention to the sound for only 5 minutes a day. The program suggests that regular listening can help promote relaxation, enhance concentration, strengthen self-confidence, and inspire a more amazing outlook near monetary prospects. Rather than making money without delay, sound is intended to promote a calmer and extra-focused state of mind. This mental shift can additionally help consumers make greater choices, live influenced, and expand habits that help non-public economic growth. Although the sales presentation includes bold wealth-related themes and storytelling, the core purpose of Forbidden China Wealth is to serve as a motivational audio experience that encourages optimism, consistency, and a mindset geared toward achieving success.